Going to do a quick review on No Boundaries women's pajamas pants. I'm hoping you can hear me over the furnace here. I'm right next to the furnace, and it's running right now. So we're gonna get these back around Christmas. And they're doing pretty good so far. They're gone through the washer and dryer quite a few times, no problems. They're Walmart brand. You don't know already. Walmart, No Boundaries is a Walmart brand. It seems sewing's holding up pretty good. They're nice, soft, and warm for the winter time. This is obviously Christmas pajamas. They're holding up pretty good. Like I said, they've been through the washer and dryer plenty of times. And the past about month now since Christmas. Got a expandable waist here. And legging, the cuffs on around the feet, pretty good shape, pretty good. These are let's see what they're made of. Hang on a second. 90% polyester, 4% spandex. Like I said, they're doing pretty good. Geez, I had more just around Christmas time wearing them. Ain't had any problems with them falling apart or anything. They're nice and thick, so they be good and warm. Cold weather now. This is No Boundary. This is the No Boundaries women's pajama pants. You can find them at Walmart, your nearest Walmart store.